Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to bring a review on the Phantom Latex Examination gloves. They are the gloves that you see me wearing right here, and they're also one of my favorite tattooing gloves. I will explain throughout this video here. I will also leave links for you in the description below so you can check out these gloves on your end. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would greatly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Right here in front of me, I do have a box of Phantom Latex Examination gloves. They are in black and in size medium. They're actually the ones that you see me using right here. They're a very snug fit. They also look very nice as well. And again, I am going to leave links for you in the description below so you can check these out. This is a box of 1,000, and in this box right here, they're also broken down into smaller boxes. So these are boxes of 100, and I can show you the top part right now, so just bear with me there. But this is the Phantom box right here that we're gonna get, and you can get small, medium, large. I'm not sure if they do have XL. I believe they do. I'm not sure if they have XS. Again, the links will be for you down below so you can check that out and get the size that you need. But I just wanted to bring you a review and show you these up close so you can kind of get an idea as to what you could expect on your end. So you can see right here, I do have 10 boxes with 100 in each box. And these are what the boxes look like. We're gonna take a close-up look at the gloves. So this is the front right here. Feel free to pause so that way you can read anything that you need to read on your end. Try and show you a full 360 view here. And this is the bottom right here. So should you choose to invest into bulk and getting 1,000, this is kind of what you can expect on your end. For me personally, I do love the way that these gloves visually look, and I do love the way that they feel as well. I do like when a glove fits that snug, and again, the size is going to vary. I am a medium here, and this is how it fits for me as a medium. If I would have went with the large, I would have had some slack, which is not always the best. I do like when my gloves are snug and tight like that. It gives me more control over everything that I'm handling, which is a plus. Now, like most tattoo gear, there are some things that we may like and not like about the Phantom tattoo gloves, and I want to take some time and relay that as well as show you the glove close up. So this is, again, the box. We would just kind of punch the hole, pull that little slot out right there, and then we have access to the gloves. And these are what the gloves look like close up. And they do have a sort of texture to them, but it doesn't really intervene, or you can't really feel it, but there is a texture. And allow me to zoom in so I can show you here. So you can see right here on the gloves, there is a little texture going on there. Here's a very close-up look at the gloves here, and I want to do that just to kind of give you an idea as to what you can expect from the gloves here. Now let's get into some of my opinions, and let me see if I can potentially answer some of the questions that you may have or wonders that you may have about the Phantom gloves here. In my opinion here, these gloves are on the thinner side, so they're not very thick. So if you were wondering how thick they are, this is the thickness, and it's kind of a bad view. However, let me actually cut the side here so that way you can get a good idea. So here is a side view, and this is the thickness of the Phantom tattoo gloves. So it kind of is on the thinner side here. It's not a very thick glove. Me personally, I like to use thicker gloves. However, that isn't the deal breaker. That isn't make or break neither. They are just a thinner glove, and that's one thing that I want to point out. So this is another view of the thickness of these Phantom examination gloves. So the Phantom gloves are on the thinner end. However, because they're on the thinner end, it does make up in terms of flexibility and comfort. Where there's not thickness, there is a tremendous amount of flexibility and comfort. I do feel like with these gloves, I can be more accurate and feel my machine and hold everything with more accuracy and comfortability, which is ultimately important because that's going to impact the final results of the tattoos that I do. I do feel like trading the thickness of the glove for flexibility and comfort is a fair trade, and it does make everything even and square in my opinion. And again, this is just my opinion to you, trying to give you as much information as I possibly can so that way you can make an educated choice on your end if these gloves are right for you or not. Also, please keep in mind that these are latex gloves and they're not nitrils. If we wanted to add more thickness to our gloves, I don't think it'd be a problem to double the glove up. For those who are curious, let me show you all that here. So this is 2 gloves, and I'm still experiencing the same amount of comfortability. So we can do that. We could even double glove as well to provide us with a little bit more safety there. Please keep in mind though, when we double glove, it is a bit more restricting, so I can definitely feel a bit more restriction on my hands. That is something to consider. If you're not wanting to feel restricted, then just simply use one glove. Take your time throughout your process there. Don't rush anything. But overall, these gloves are definitely a thumbs up from me. They are fantastic. They look great. I have tattooed with these time and time again. I use these pretty much from the start as well, but when I started, I didn't use these as much. I used different gloves that I mentioned throughout videos here, and I'll also link those down below for you if you want to check those out. But from my experience, the Phantom latex examination gloves have always been great to me. I love their look, I love the performance, and I love their feel. The Phantom gloves are gloves that I would recommend any tattoo artist to get, whether you're a beginner or a full-blown professional. These are solid, well-rounded gloves right here, and for multiple reasons. Me personally, I do love the appearance, yet again, as I've mentioned. I do love the feel, I love the flexibility, and I love the performance. When I'm maneuvering throughout my workflow, I feel that I can be more precise. I feel like I have everything in my hands as if I'm not wearing gloves, and that's kind of a feel that we want to go for when we are tattooing. It feels a lot more natural and comfortable when I am wearing these gloves, and they do definitely have a good amount of stretch, so when I move my hands out like this, I don't feel like any restrictions or anything negative like that. So if you get the right sizes for your hands, I feel that you're going to have a very similar experience. And again, I will leave links for you down in the description below so you can check these out on your end. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support over there as well. If you enjoy my content and find my channel helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. Thank you for tuning in. You have a great day.